What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of CryptoRuff, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Today, taking a look at the markets off the bat, we see a lot more green today than we have the last couple days. Bitcoin's back up around 14,200. It had a little double bottom W here, and hopefully we'll see some uptrend now. In other news, everything else is back up a little bit, except Tron. Tron's kind of in the steady decrease. Let me know what you guys are thinking about Tron. I'm holding my Tron. For those of you wondering, I still think we may see a big move for Tron here in the future. Just to give you an update on that, I want to come over and actually talk about ZOUKCOIN today, guys. Today was the big ICO release. I was able to pick up about 40 coins, and then from a little bit from the referrals, I got like another 10 coins there. I actually got in a little bit late. I overslept, so I got in at this third tier for 50 cents right now. So the first tier at 25 cents is already sold out. Tier 2 at 35 cents is complete and sold out as well, and we now see Tier 3 is active. There are 1 million coins available at this price of 50 cents, and currently out of that 1 million there are about 886,000. Now just about an hour ago this was over 900,000. So these coins are starting to go fast, guys, meaning this ZOUKCOIN price is increasing in price. So you guys want to jump in on this right now. I wanted to buy more. I was going to transfer my profits from Bitconnect over, but as you know, Bitconnect's site has been down because of some DDoS attacks. We'll give a quick Bitconnect update here in a few minutes, but I'm currently in the works of moving some money over to buy some more ZOUKCOINs at this price. But just so you know, the ICO is live, so definitely check out ZOUKCOIN, guys. I think this is going to be a cool platform for lending, a cool platform for staking coins. That's what I definitely want to get into, is the staking side of the site as soon as they release their staking program. So look down below for the ZOUKCOIN link and go ahead and check it out because it is live. So speaking of Bitconnect, the site is up. Since yesterday we've seen the site up, the main page up. Last night logins were still disabled as they were making sure that everything was secure. So I actually was able to log in today, though. They reinstated logins, and I can actually go log in right now if I like. So it looks like they got this issue fixed. Now the only problem is there's so much traffic on the site because everyone's getting in and doing their reinvestments and doing their trades and on the website, that the servers are really slow right now, making it hard to do anything on the website. And that's just because all of the traffic, everyone logged in. It's just a whole bunch of stuff going on right now. But I was able to log in about 15 minutes ago, checked it out. I tried doing a reinvest on there. I had about $50 in my lending wallet to do a reinvest just from the last couple days of not being able to log in. So it shows that they have paid out the last couple days. My total investment is still sitting there, so no one touched my investment. My lending wallet had almost $50 on it, showing everything I earned over the past 2 days. So when the site calms down a little bit, I'll go through and do a reinvest and just further reassure you guys that everything's okay with the website. I wasn't too worried. I work with websites, and sometimes this happens where you're spammed with DDoS attacks like Bitconnect was. It wasn't hacked, but it was spammed with DDoS attacks, and it looks like they've updated their security and have everything under control. So I'll keep you guys updated. Follow me on Twitter for the latest updates that are usually hourly or every couple hours. As soon as I find out any information, I'm releasing it on my Twitter. But for the most part, their site is up, and I'm sure you could go log in, but I encourage you, just give it a little time. There's so much traffic on the website right now that it's even hard to do anything. I was gonna do a reinvest, but I decided just to hold off maybe until tomorrow, until everything calms down. But your loans are secure, your money's secure. There's no need to worry. It wasn't an exit scam, guys. Don't believe all the FUD you're hearing. There wasn't a major hack. It's just normal server issues. This happens with websites, so don't worry about that, guys. But I'll keep you updated to keep your worries at bay. So that's just a quick video for you guys today, just looking at the market, reassuring you that Bitconnect seems to be doing fine, and I logged in and saw my investment, and of course the ZOUKCOIN ICO is live, which I'm really excited about. ZOUKCOIN, it's another way for me to diversify my money. The big problem with Bitconnect is so many people were invested solely in Bitconnect, and when it goes down, they lose access to their daily income stream and their investments and their money if they were cashing out every day. And that's why one of my big tips this December was to diversify your portfolio. Yeah, I'm fine with investing with Bitconnect. Is all my money in Bitconnect? No. In addition, I'm holding Bitcoin, I'm holding altcoins, I'm on sites like Davor, I'm investing in ICOs like ZOUKCOIN. If you're diversified and you don't have all your eggs in one basket, then when there's all this FUD about a website crashing or undergoing problems, then I'm not gonna panic. I was never panicking, worried about Bitconnect. You know, I trust the company. I've seen that they've been proven to be really informative on their Twitter, keeping us up to date every few hours. They've been super informative through the process, showing that they can overcome obstacles and work through things. But still, for all of you solely invested in Bitconnect, diversify your portfolio, guys. Research other lending platforms, research new ICOs, research coins, invest in that. Lending platforms aren't the only thing that are profitable in the crypto space. So a lot of times investing in altcoins and cryptocurrencies and holding them can be way more profitable than something like Bitconnect. So just another reminder for you guys to diversify your portfolios in 2018. All right, guys, if you did not know, I give away $10 worth of Litecoin every single day. All you have to do to enter to win is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, like this video, and comment a question with your Litecoin address down below. So Philip Tan says, thanks for the update. Referring to yesterday's video, I was giving a little update about what was going on with Bitconnect, just trying to keep the FUD at bay. So thank you, Philip, for participating in the giveaway. Let's send you your Litecoin, man. Putting in your address, that checks out, sending you $10 worth of Litecoin. Congrats on winning. Here is your Litecoin. Alright guys, thanks for tuning into today's video. I hope you're excited to see the markets going up. I hope you're excited about this new ICO from ZOUKCOIN and their new platform that is launching officially. I'm very excited about it and I'm excited to be invested. And guys, thank you for your support on the channel. Let's keep the FUD away. Let's be logical in our thinking process and not react out of panic. That's my tip for you today. Don't react out of panic to any situation, but think with a clear head and make clear, calculated decisions. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, like this video, and comment a question with your Litecoin address down below to enter you to win for tomorrow's giveaway. We'll see you tomorrow.